It has been a difficult 2020. Everyone around the world was hit hard by this pandemic. Jobs were lost, people fell ill, and hopes were diminished. I would like to take this opportunity to wish the world well, and may all of us find peace and prosperity in the near future. During this pandemic, we have people stocking up on essentials such as toilet paper and instant noodles. Since we can't cook toilet paper, allow me to show you how to whip up a beautiful pot of instant noodles today. I've chosen to cook up some Yukgaejang instant noodles. Yukgaejang is a kind of Korean spicy beef soup. I'm going towards the Korean direction because I was challenged by a Korean YouTuber.
Hey, the cooking guide. This is Nami from NamiEats, and I'm here to challenge you to cook up the best instant noodles that you can. So, give me what you got.
So, sit back, relax, and get ready to learn how to make instant noodles look like a 5-star restaurant dish. Start off by preparing some lettuce, chicken sausages, crab sticks, tomatoes, Swiss brown mushrooms, prawns, beef. In this case, I used a store-bought frozen Australian rib-eye steak and seared it up nice and good. Also, prepare some Japanese soft-boiled eggs, and for me, I prefer them more liquidy on the inside, and if you like yours drier, just boil them a little bit longer for about 6 minutes. With all these ingredients prepared, it is time to move on to the next step. Make sure you boil the chicken sausages, mushrooms, prawns, and crab sticks for around 5 minutes. Once done, place all the cooked ingredients on one plate. Now, on a separate pot of boiling water, add the soup powder and dehydrated ingredients. For me, I choose to use unsalted chicken stock as the base. To learn how to make unsalted chicken stock, check out my video on how to make chicken stock. Link is in the description box below. Make sure you taste the soup and ensure that it is not too bland or too salty. Once you are satisfied with the outcome, add the noodles into the boiling pot of goodness for around 4 minutes. Be sure to avoid overcooking the noodles, otherwise it will become too soggy. Before we jump into the best part, please don't forget to check out Nami's channel as well. Nami is a down-to-earth girl with a beautiful heart. Just imagine her recipes on a plate. It will be spectacular. Links to NamiEats is down in the description box below. And now, back to the best part of them all. Fill the pot with the cooked ingredients, decorate it any way you want, just ensure that the results would be stunning. And by the way, if this is the first time you are watching the cooking guide, please remember to subscribe and turn on the notification bell. This goes a long way in taking the cooking guide to the ends of the earth. Now, look at this. A pot of simple instant Yukgaejang noodles fit for a king. Hey Nami, did I pass your challenge with flying colors?